Hey everybody, I'm in the car doing another video. I'm going to do a review video for a Miswak. I don't think I had ever heard of these. And I saw it on Amazon, and so I decided to order it. Oh my god, this thing is like gonna change your life. I don't know, I love it. Anyway, it comes in a box like this. Has a little instruction thing. Has a little cloth, which I haven't even used. Then it has, there was two of these. They look like this. Kind of looks like a breadstick. And what do you think you do with it? Maybe you know already. Anyway, I gotta get mine because I put the one that I'm using in my purse. Hang on. That's what it looks like in the little case. And there's what it looks like. It has little bristles. What you do with it when you get it is you soak it in water. I put peppermint oil in mine because it does have an interesting aroma and kind of an interesting taste. It didn't bother me. It doesn't really bother me though. You get really used to it, at least I did. But after you soak it, you kind of score along this thing, and then you peel just the bark part so it leaves the bristles. And guess what you do with it? You brush your teeth. And this thing works so good. And this is what's so cool about it, I think. You can use it when you're in the car, like say you go get something to eat or coffee or whatever. You can use it afterwards while you're driving. You know, just be careful, don't be looking in the mirror and stuff. But you can use, I like to keep it by the bed. At night when I'm watching TV, after eating and stuff, I use it. I just lay in bed and do my teeth. And sometimes the little fibers fall off, and I just swallow most. I mean, it doesn't bother me. And then once it starts getting down too far, you could just chew on it, and the bark comes off. I'll show you. Oh. There's the bark. I'm not going to swallow pieces of bark. Anyway, you chew on it, and then more bristles come. And then when they get too floppy, you just trim them with the scissors. Anyway, and you just use it to do your teeth. I love this thing. I'm using it all the time. It has the natural antiseptics in it from the kind of tree it comes from. And it's from Pakistan. And it also has some kind of silica and thing. You can read about it, but I'll put some links in the description so you can read about it. It has like a natural baking soda which whitens your teeth. So it whitens your teeth and it takes all the stuff off, and your teeth feel like incredibly smooth. Like, I just feel so good, and I just love using it. I can't say enough good things about it. So, and I don't know if they're gonna keep doing this, but I got a coupon. Well, they had a coupon if you leave a review on Amazon, which I did. They send you a coupon for a free 2 more free. And I couldn't get it to work right, like the coupon code thing. And so I emailed, and they're sending me it in the mail, which is really nice because they don't have to do that kind of stuff. I mean, it's good for their business, but so yeah, that's see, it just shows you on here kind of what you do. And there's videos on it too on YouTube besides mine that's going to be on there. There's other videos that show you how to use it. So try it. You like it. I don't know, I like it better than my toothbrush. You still brush your teeth, you know, you can still use your toothbrush as your regular care for your teeth, but this is like a extra thing to have, like when you're, I just like it, like especially in the car or when I'm laying down in bed and I'm just, you know, watching TV or something. I just like it because it's just, you know, I'm taking care of my teeth while I'm watching TV, and I like it better than toothpicks and dental floss. I mean, yeah, you still probably have to floss. I'm not really good at flossing, but this is just like polishes them, and it just makes your teeth feel so good. So I think you should try it. So I'll put links for everything in my description. I love you guys. Bye bye.